So today we're going to take a look at our own patient coordinator Ashley's progress with her clear aligner treatment. She's currently on aligner number 24, so we're going to see if what her teeth look like in the mouth match up with our projected progress that we have here on our screen. We can also take a peek at her grid scans and see her initial scan to her latest scan. So what I see here is very promising. Let's take a peek in the mouth. Okay, so this was what Ashley's teeth looked like to begin with. So we had some generalized spacing, and now we'll pause the simulation at aligner number 24, which is the number she's currently wearing today. So we see the spaces closing up. All right, and so this is what her teeth should look like, given that she's on aligner 24. And we're going to take a peek in the mouth next to make sure that is actually happening. So we're going to take a look at Ashley's teeth now and make sure that things are tracking as nicely as they should be. All right, so let's take a peek here. First, we are looking at how her aligners are fitting on the teeth. So we don't want to see space between the aligner and the teeth, because no space means that the teeth are moving as expected per aligner. Her aligners fit absolutely beautifully. She is an A+ patient. So now let's take a look at her teeth without the aligners on. So I'm looking for space closure, looking at where the projection says that her teeth should be at aligner number 24 and where things actually stand. Because her aligners were fitting so perfectly, we know that the teeth are tracking, and yes, space closure looks fantastic. Bite together, please. Her bite's looking beautiful, and Miss Ashley is tracking absolutely perfectly. She's an A++ aligner patient.